We'll guide you through how to delete your ChatGPT account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your account name or profile icon, usually located at the lower left corner of the page. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, find the Account section. This is where you can manage your account details. Now scroll down until you see the option that says Delete Account or Account Deletion. Click on this option to proceed. You might be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons, so go ahead and do that. After entering your password, you'll likely see a confirmation screen explaining the consequences of deleting your account, such as losing access to your data and any subscriptions. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your decision by clicking on the Delete Account button. Remember, this action is usually irreversible, so make sure you're ready to lose all your data associated with the account. Once you've confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you should receive a confirmation email. Check your email to ensure you receive the confirmation, which might take a few minutes. If you change your mind, some services allow you a short grace period to recover your account, but it's always good to be certain before proceeding. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.